One, I thought I'd sit out here for a while after doing the devotions. The birds are really sounding good this morning. And there, if you can see that bird up there, it'll probably go back around. That is one of the hawks, I'm pretty sure. They love it when it's nice and windy, and they glide around up there. I mean, that's not a crow, because crows don't do that. That's one of the smaller hawks. Near as we can figure, there's, two parents, and we've seen three smaller ones. I'll show it if it comes back around. I wish it'd come closer. It's probably hard to see back in the distance there. But they just love to glide in this wind. There's a female cardinal in those bushes up there. There she goes. They're not as red. As you can see, it rained overnight. There's puddles of water. I slept through it, so it must not have been loud enough. There's the big one. Right there is the big one. The other one's a smaller one. I was hoping that they would come out while I was back here. Here's right over there. I hope he comes this way. Oh, he just flew past that power pole. I've actually seen one dive down on something, but when it landed, my vision was obscured by trees, so I didn't see what it got one day. They can actually see their prey from way up there, and they'll dive right down on it. This one up here. Guess we should say hello to Adam. Hi there, Adam. How you doing this morning?
Pretty good. It rained hard out here last night. I got me a nice bath that way, though.
Oh, okay. Glad you're doing all right. Oh. I was trying to see if that one I transplanted back there is doing good. So, if need be, I can transplant more of them, but I think sooner or later there's going to be a bunch of cucumbers crawling all over back there. The ones from seed, some of them are doing okay. This one's from seed right here, this bigger one. But these smaller ones, they were from seed too, and they don't seem to be, some of them don't seem to be doing as good. That cardinal, or whatever it is, it looks like a female cardinal right there, but I'm not for sure now. The closer it gets. I've seen woodpeckers back here. They've gone around this big tree down here, and you can just see like a ring of holes, a perfect ring around at different intervals in the tree. And I've even seen them come up here and try to peck on this metal pole, and it's really funny. And I've seen birds try to land on that pole and just slide right down too. Hello there, birdie. She's on the rock, if y'all can see her. Hello. Now that I'm looking at this bird closer, it does not look like a cardinal. It could be though, but I'm surprised there's not more of them back here trying to get worms and stuff. I can see a bunch of starlings across the road over there, and they're always present somewhere. Clouds are moving out. I don't know if it's going to bring in more. Some of it up here looks all kind of gloomy, but it's passing. It's moving. We'll see what happens. Picking up the trash. I'd show it, but it has the name of our city on it. You can hear it running off though. Or you can barely see it now. You're here early today. It's a good way to start your day, to come out here and have devotions and everything, and then just sit here and relax with your coffee and try not to think about things that worry you. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but up at those telephone pole lines or power lines, if you can see that one tree, it looks like it's covered up with something. Like something's made big nests up there. I'm almost wondering if, I don't think that's those hawks would do that. But it doesn't look normal. That tree doesn't. There's something all over it. Maybe it's vines. Vines will make it look like that. And we've got some vines down here that my brother's gonna help me. We just usually cut them right at the bottom, and then you can tell when they die, and then they're easy to pull off after that. But the only problem is there's been some poison ivy down there in the past, or poison oak, either one. I'm severely allergic to it, and every time I go down there, I don't care what I wear, I'll still get it somewhere. Well, it looks like it's freezing up, y'all, so it's sketchy out here sometimes, my internet. pretty far away from it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press like, subscribe if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you later on either one of my other vlogs or my regular vlog. Since I didn't have it last night, I'll be doing my regular one today. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later on. Bye.